So as you can see here, I'm unboxing my LaVivid Tyler in color number 6. It's Remy hair. I opt to get the pre-cut, just taking it out of its little box that we have here. The inside here is lace front, very natural hairline. So you can just take a look at that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use blue liner tape. I'm putting it on the mannequin so that I'm able to just tape the tape on so it doesn't go anywhere. And I will be using blue liner tape, lace front. I feel this is the best. There's the no shine, works pretty good. And what I'll do is I'm just going to tape it all the way around the perimeter. Okay, I have my hair system all taped up with the blue liner tape. The lace front. I'm figuring out where to place it on the top of my head to make sure that it just goes perfectly. I'm slowly going to roll it back to make sure that there's no bubbles in it. Make sure there's no creases. I'm looking to see where I can get it into place. I'm just making sure that it's all down. I don't have any wrinkles, anything of that. I'm going to take a little water. I'm going to give it a little spray just to kind of make sure, you know what I mean, I can just style it however I like. And at this point, I'm just going to take the comb everything through, get it to how I like it. This was already like a pre-cut system, so I pretty much could just put it on and just do whatever I want. You know, as I said, I just keep giving a little spray here, just, make sure that it looks at its best. Comb everything through. As you can see here, the water is just, going a little bit all over, so make sure I can just comb that. And it's pretty much, easy enough to style. See any edges lifting or anything like that, but it's a pretty good fit, so I don't run into that issue. It does, take a minute or so just to have it be proper, but as soon as you can get it to where it needs to be or to your liking, I think this is just more of the hardest part, is actually just getting it to like where we want it, and going through that like first time getting it on and having it like look at its best. But easier said than done. Maybe a little bit, frustration the first time. But as you get a little bit, better at it, it always works a little bit better. I always struggle the first time a little bit getting it on, just making sure that I have it like exactly perfect. That's just me. I'm a little OCD. So where other people may not have as many issues as I do, I just try to make sure that I can have it be perfect. And I'll just keep giving a little comb. I'll check the back. I'll check everything, make sure that everything we have here is perfectly placed where I want it to be, where I'm happy. The back blend's okay. Sides are matched up. The front, okay. We're good to go. This is what the front looks like. Here's the hairline. And we'll just keep it looking the way it does. There's nothing more that needs to be done. Okay.